And what is meant by software testing and software quality? What is meant by software testing and software quality? Here you can see the definitions and very clearly. Software testing is a part of software development life cycle. In demo session, I already explained that what is meant by software development life cycle. Can anyone tell what is meant by software development life cycle, or else what are the phases available in that SDLC? I said that very important
Requirement
SDLC.
SDLC like requirement analysis, design, implementation. Like it is like development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. These are the phases.
Yes, exactly. Software testing is a part of software development process. Let's take that SDLC. We are having the requirement analysis. We are gathering that requirements. Later, we are checking the feasibility, whether we are feasible to do that requirements given by the customer or not. Requirement analysis done, feasibility study is done. Later, we have to go on the prototype. That is nothing but design. Once design is accepted, then we are moving to the implementation. It's nothing but coding. Once the coding is done, we will move on to the testing. Once the testing is done, we will move on to the deployment. It's nothing but production. Once the production is done, we'll move on to the maintenance. These are the pages we are having in SDLC. We see a few phases in this SDLC, right? There is one phase that named testing. Here, that's why we're calling it testing is a part of software development life cycle, software development process. Okay. And here, testing is an activity to detect and identify the defects in the software. What is meant by software testing? Testing is an activity to detect and identify the defects in the software. What is meant by defect? We'll discuss in next concept. Okay. The objective of testing is to release the quality product to the customer. Okay. Here, if anyone asks what is meant by the testing, what you have to answer? It is one activity which helps to detect the defects in the software. That is called software testing. Right? Clear? What is meant by software testing? Software testing is an activity to detect the defects in the software. Okay, here you can see bank came to IT company and bank will discuss the requirement analysis and later the design was done and later implementation, developer coding, whatever it is, then the testing part will comes into the picture. Okay, this is about the software testing. And what is meant by software quality? When we said that the software has the quality, okay, when you tell that particular software has quality. For example, you are using the Instagram in your mobile, but randomly it was shaking that application, like some windows. We are having the stories in Instagram, right? The stories circle button is blinking due to some issue in the Instagram. At that time you feel bad, right? So that there is no quality in the Instagram app construction, you felt like that, right? So here, how you said that how the customer said that the software has a quality which is developed by the certain software companies. Based on these aspects, the customer will tell that the software has quality. The first one is bug free. What is mean by bug? This is also will discuss in the next concept. The application should be bug free and the application should delivered on time, and the application should consider within the budget which is set by the customer. For example, the customer reaches to software company to construct a certain application. Let's take an example of Zomato. Zomato person came to the TCS company and said that please construct my application with these requirements within 4 crores. Right? Within 4 crores, please try to construct this one. But the TCS takes 5 crores. But initially they said 4 crores, but it became 5 crores. It's not within budget, right? Like movies. Sometimes the movie producers will think of it that movie will complete it within 50 crores or 60 crores, but due to some new graphics in the movie, that 50-60 crores becomes 70-80 crores, right? So it's not completed within the budget, right? Then we are not calling it as it's not a quality software. Okay, within the budget, we have to justify the customer with the bug-free application and meet requirements or expectations. The customer expected something from you. If that person giving project to you company, that the person can expect something from that company, right? That is meet requirements. And last one is maintainable. It's nothing but once the application is constructed, there is some ease to maintain that application very easily. Then only the customer justify that the software has quality. Okay, this is the software quality. If anyone asks what is mean by software testing, simply you can answer the software testing or else testing is an activity to detect the defects in software. Detect the defects, you can remember this point. Detect defects in the software, that is called software testing. And if anyone asks what is mean by software quality, here software quality can justify by using some aspects. Those are bug free, delivered on time, within budget, meets expectations, and maintainable. That is called software quality. If you haven't remember all these points, don't remember. Simply you can say that software quality can be judged by following aspects: bug free, and you can remember the movie within budget, and the application should deliver on time, and it should maintainable. You can remember like this to answer the questions. Okay.